All African gray parrots are different, but here are some of Bailey's favorite things to say. In no particular order. Number 1, where's the whiskey? He loves to ask, where's the whiskey? It's his favorite thing to say, I do believe, and he says it very aggressively, like, where's the whiskey? 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 Usually right after he asks where the whiskey is, he follows that up with asking if you would like a beer. More beer? More beer? More beer? More beer? More beer? Are you an IPA guy? What kind of beer do you like? The next thing that he loves to say is, where's that cat? And then he follows that up with, here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Where's that cat? Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Where's that cat? Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Next up, of course, as any proper southern bird would have to say, is roll tide. And boy, he says this a lot and in different voices. Roll tide, roll tide, roll tide, roll tide, roll tide, roll. If you've been following, you already know that he loves to tell me he's going to brush his teeth. I gotta brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. But along those same lines, he says, gotta get a bath. Gotta get a bath. Gotta get a bath. And he'll say, gotta go pee. Although that is just a tiny sample of all of the things that he says, we are working on new material. I have been trying to get him to say boobies for a long time, and today we started working on yeehaw, yeehaw, fuck the law. Good morning, Muffin. Did you sleep good? Did you sleep so good? More beer. What you say? I don't bed. Roll. What you say? Is that more beer? Where's that? I don't bed. You all out? Now over here. Over here, buddy. Hello. Are you there? Hello, buddy. What is it, buddy? You all out? Roll. Roll. We're back here. Now go. Come here. Come on, Danny. Good morning. Good morning. Whoa! Now go back. No, 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 no. Where's that cat? Get back in. You're so handsome. Good morning. Good morning. Are you doing laundry? Where's the whiskey? More beer. Let's go camping.
I brush my teeth.
You are.
I brush my teeth.
Bailey, if you say that one more dang time,
I brush my teeth. Well, do it then. Come on, jackass.
For the first time today, I'm not cold.
I brush my... Good deal.
You're gonna what?
I brush my teeth.
Don't you even think about it.
I brush my teeth.
You little shit.
I brush my...
What? Bailey? You are driving me crazy.
I brush my teeth.
You're driving me crazy.
Jackass.
I got it.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
Can you say anything else? We're doing hard things today, friend. If you've been following, then you know Bailey belonged to my mother-in-law and father-in-law, who have both passed away. My mother-in-law passed away in 2023, and I have been dreading going through all of her stuff for over a year and a half now, but it's time. I brought Bailey in here with me for moral support, and you know, that was his mom too. Pure chaos, friends. African gray parrots are feathered terrorists. He is pretty cute though. I would say that the vast majority of these clothes I haven't really seen because she didn't wear them. She wore the same few things over and over again. But when I run across something that I remember her wearing vividly, that is just a punch in the gut. Remember that? I've still got a lot of stuff to go through, but I think I'm just going to take it one day at a time and try not to overwhelm myself. But if you made it to the end of this video, do me a favor. Go hug your mother.